when I'm managing Kotak Standard Multi-Cap Equity Fund, I have to evaluate this from the size point of view, from impact cost point of view, from quality of balance sheet and governance point of view. Certainly, all of you will agree that size of money which can be managed in small and mid-cap fund will be reasonably smaller than what can be managed in large cap or large and mid-cap fund or multi-cap fund. On Sunday evening, SEBI came out with a circular which provided various options, including merger of schemes, conversion of schemes, which will allow us to explore various options so that Kotak Standard Multi-Cap can be managed in the same way as it has been managed in the past, and there is minimum portfolio disturbances. I want to reassure every distributor and investor that we will comply with SEBI regulations in totality. We will explore all options available, from returning of cash, from requesting switch to large cap or large and mid cap funds, or from merging our funds into appropriate fund, or converting our fund into a thematic fund. But we will ensure that any decision we take will have minimum portfolio disturbance and will protect investors' interest. We are also discussing with industry to see if a flexi multi-cap kind of category can be created, where true to label we communicate to investors that the fund will decide from 100% large cap to 100% mid cap or 100% small cap, depending upon its view. If our proposal gets accepted, then certainly there will be least disturbance to the way Kotak Standard Multi-Cap Equity Fund is managed. SEBI has always kept open door policy, and I am quite confident that they will give patient hearing and fair consideration to our suggestions. All I want to reassure investors and distributors, you have put your faith in Kotak Standard Multi-Cap Equity Fund, which is why it has been the largest multi-cap equity fund in the country. We will continue to manage Standard Multi-Cap Fund in a manner which requires minimum portfolio disturbance, which ensures paramount of investor interest, and which ensures full compliance with SEBI rules and regulations. All options are open. For me, I have to manage two dual objectives: comply with SEBI rules and regulations and manage my investors' money to optimize risk-adjusted return. I can assure you that I will not end up buying small and mid-cap at any prices, at any valuation, if it doesn't make sense for my investors. And yesterday's SEBI clarification has provided many options for us. We can request switch, we can consider merger, we can consider conversion into thematic fund, we can request for creation of a flexi multi-cap category, or worst case, we can return the money. All options are on the table to ensure that investors' interests are protected. We will continue to manage Kotak Standard Multi-Cap Equity Fund in a manner which is as near as possible in the past. We don't expect any material impact on the way we have been managing this fund going forward, courtesy all the clarification issued by SEBI on Sunday evening. So do continue your SIPs, STPs. Remember that we are neutral weight on equity allocation at this point of time. For conservative investor, for average investors, Kotak Standard Multi-Cap kind of multi-cap fund continues to remain appropriate.